Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer USDT from Gate.io to Bitget in 2025. It's super simple. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Gate.io account. Head over to your Assets tab and click on Withdraw. Now search for USDT in your asset list. Once you find it, choose On-Chain Withdrawal. You'll also see the option with Withdraw to other accounts, but we are sticking with On-Chain today. Click Got it. And now you'll need to enter the receiving address. So let's move over to the Bitget. In Bitget, go to the assets, then add funds and select deposit crypto. Search for USDT again and this time choose the Solana network. Copy the deposit address provided. Now head back to the gate.io and paste the address into the withdrawal section. Make sure the network is set to Solana, just like we selected in Bitget. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say we are withdrawing 100 USDT for this example. You'll notice a small fee about 1.89 USDT. Don't worry, that's a pretty standard. Once everything looks good, click withdraw. Now you'll need to verify the address. Just make sure everything is correct. Double check, and if everything matches, confirm the withdrawal. And that's it. Your USDT will be sent to your Bitget account. It usually takes just about 2 minutes to process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and give it a thumbs up. And for more tech guides, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.